Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see like how to apply for a visitor visa to Mauritius. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through the service. So guys, we have opened the official website of Mauritius government about passport and immigration services. So first of all, they have provided the information about the people who do not need a visa to enter Mauritius. Okay, and then they have like type of visas. Tourist visa, they allow to visit Mauritius for a short time on vacation. Maximum period of 6 months can be granted in a calendar year on a case by case basis. Okay, transit visa within a period of 24 hours if you are leaving, and they have given information about from country wise, so you can check based on your country if you need a visa. So you can find out. Let's say if you are from India, then no visa required. Wow, good for Indians. But from many countries it is required. Okay, and but one good thing about them is visas and extensions of stay are issued free of charge, so that's good. Now application. So though we have gone through the requirements, now it's time to go for applications. How we are gonna see that? Okay, so the page is open. You can apply the visa through diplomatic or consulate representatives, and if there is no diplomatic consulate representative, you can submit the application at Air Mauritius office. If you are in a situation where none of these exist in your place, you can submit by mail on this email account. Okay, perfect. So what are the things you need to submit? Visa application form. Let's go through it. And there is no fee, so no need to question about that. 2 recent passport size photos of the applicant, photocopy of the data pages of applicant passport, a copy of the residence permit if you apply from a third country, copy of passage ticket to the country of origin or residence, copy of bank statement for last 3 months, hotel booking for accommodation. If sponsored by a citizen of Mauritius, then you need to provide evidence. In case of business visa, submit a letter from local sponsor company. In case of minor, consent letter from parents. Okay, any other document that may be required. Okay, and it comes like 5 working days minimum, and you need to, not minimum, but they have written like 5 working days subject to submission of complete application. Applicant is requested to apply at least 1 month prior to travel. Okay, this is the application form. We have to download from here. I'm downloading. It's not huge, 290 KB. Okay, so title, reference number, surname, first name, maiden name, date of birth, profession, country of birth, nationality, and it's just a 1-page form. Permanent address, telephone, fax number, email, particulars of residence permit for person not residing. Okay, so not applicable in all the cases. Particular passport or other travel document. Okay, particular for visit, so purpose of visit, duration of stay. In case of transit, do you have, okay, expected date of travel, flight number, address in Mauritius, financial means, indicate currency. Okay, alright, declaration, signature. And they have asked you to write in capital letters using blue or black ink only. So it's not even a complicated application, it's very simple. So I hope you got the idea. And if you want to check the places where they have consulate offices and representatives, you can click the link over here. First you need to see that if you really need a visa or not, and if you need a visa, then you can go through it. Okay, so they have in 21 countries, 21 locations I would say, because in USA they have like 2. Even in India they have to. Okay, good. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.